Ito sa mga naghahanap ng budget meal pistol, meron tayo ditong Double Bell 721 Glock 17 Gen 3. Naka-metal slide na to, polymer lower frame, may underrail na rin for attachment, threaded yung outer barrel, then ito yung sights niya. Markings, meron na rin siyang markings and serial number. Markings. So may kasama na rin siyang case, magazine na 26 rounds with Glock base plate. And then may kasama na rin siyang extra nozzle and cleaning rod. Okay, so for the price, ang price nito is 3,900. Okay, so for wholesale and yung mga reseller namin, magbabawas pa tayo doon. Magbabawas pa tayo ng presyo. Okay, so test natin, check natin kung ilang FPS siya out of the box. Gas blowback yan ha. Check nyo na lang.